Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Fadilah, and here I would like to review the Wayang Museum in the old town city of Jakarta. History of the Puppet Museum in the old city of Jakarta, reported by Indonesian Museum Association (AMI) website. The Wayang Museum building was once an old church founded by the VOC in 1614. Under the name the Oude Hollanders Kerk. Later, the building served as a place of worship for the Dutch civilians and soldiers who lived in Batavia, Jakarta until 1732. Then, in 1968, the Jakarta Museum was then handed over to the provincial government of DKI Jakarta. Then the Jakarta Museum turned into the Puppet Museum, which was inaugurated on August 30, 1975 by Ali Sadikin, the governor of DKI Jakarta at that time. The museum building is located on Jalan North Great Door, number 27, West Jakarta. This museum is located in the tourist area of Kota Tua, Jakarta. The Puppet Museum is closed every Monday. Based on information from the Wayang Museum's Instagram account, the following are the opening hours of the Wayang Museum in Jakarta. Days: Thursday until Sunday, national holidays. Opening hours 9 a.m. until 15 p.m. Puppet Museum Collection. Information on the history of the Wayang Museum has been presented in a previous review. Please note the Puppet Museum displays a variety of interesting collections such as shadow puppets, puppet show, wayang beber, puppet critic, puppet revolution, wayang suket or toys, painting, mask, doll, wood, statue, and then gamelan. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please click like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.